doing a solo camping trip and fishing. Let's do it. Alright, we're pretty close now. Hopefully nobody's in our spot that we want to go. Alright, we are at the spot. Nobody's here, which is pretty nice. And we have the river right next to the car. Heck yeah. Well, I suppose let's get some stuff set up. We got a whole bunch of stuff. Brought the grill, got the poles. We're just gonna sleep in the car because that's the easiest. I can just head out early. Brought some dogs, some coffee. We're set. Brought a whole bunch of wood. Perfect little spot for that. Well, we might as well get the poles ready. See if there's any big ones waiting for us. Better get some bug spray on. I feel like the wood ticks out here are gonna be crazy. And we had to bring some candy and a pop. Cream soda Dr. Pepper. We'll have to try that one out. Got a big sinker on there. This water's pretty deep and fast today. Our only bait is night crawlers. I brought some hot dogs too, so maybe we'll try that out later. Catch a catfish on them. Alright, first cast. We're gonna throw around the Rapala. I was catching tons of smallies last year on this. Well, it was supposed to be cloudy, but it's sunny. So I got this, what is this? Sport umbrella? Oh my gosh, we got a bite. Was that a bite? I don't know, something's going on over there. But we got this sport umbrella. Should keep the sun off us. We'll have to tie it down. Yeah. This umbrella is kind of nice. Definitely gives us some shade. Poles right there. We'll start a fire later. Just chill. Hopefully we catch something big. Oh, it's going crazy. Oh, we got something. What's it gonna be? Fight's good. Oh, it's a gold eye. Got a good hook set on him. Slow down, fish. Right. At least it's not a sucker. Getting hits on the other pole. Oh yeah, it's a good one. A little bit bigger. I got hook set on him too. Got a bite. Doesn't look too big. It's not pulling the pole. It's not dragging my pole in the water. Maybe it's big. That might be a cat. Well, he swallowed the hook, so we're gonna have to take him home and eat him. But he's good eating size. Do a big circle hook. Hopefully that kind of prevents him from swallowing it. This Milky Way smacks right now. We're gonna throw around this lure we found the other day. We got something. It's not a bullhead this time. Dang, another channel? Oh. Yeah. Another little channel cat. That one's really blue. I suppose we can try out this Dr. Pepper cream soda. Unless we got a fish over there. It's dinging. Let's try Dr. Pepper first. Oh. Never mind. Oh! Did we lose him? That Dr. Pepper's pretty good. Can't even finish my drink. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? I don't know yet. Oh, another one. Another little one. Hook came right out. That one's talkative. Sweet. So we're gonna be sleeping in the car, right? So we're gonna need to cover these windows. What I got are some bed sheets, or one bed sheet, and then I cut it into pieces. That should fit over the windows. And then we will use some bobby pins and put those in the ceiling fabric to hold these up. And then for the front we got a sun visor, sun protector, whatever that is. That works pretty good. And we'll just like set that up there like that or something. Suppose we can get our bed set up too. We got our Walmart sleeping bag, Walmart sleeping mat, And a Walmart pillow. Freaking got everything from Walmart. Pull these down. Ugh. Now, like, move the seat up just a little bit. We'll have enough room. That looks cozy. Oh, that feels good. Oh wait, I forgot. We don't need a rock. It's got legs. And it's about time for lunch. Guess we'll cook up some dogs here in a little bit. Coals are looking pretty good now. Oh yeah. Not too ashy. A little crispy. Yeah, it's alright. Get the buns ready. Tonight for dinner, we're gonna have some smoked brats. Oh yeah. Alright, let's get these dogs. Oh, got ashes all over them. It's alright. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah. Be nice if I had some ketchup, but nope, forgot it. That'll do. It's been like 2 hours and our coals are still nice and hot. That's nice. I didn't have my camera with me, but we caught a bass on that lure. I'm so happy. It's not a big one, but it's still a bass. Man, I just had a wood tick on me and now I'm all friggin' itchy. Oh, heck no. Hate. I'm gonna have myself another dog. It's like 6:13. My coals are still hot. We're gonna throw some more wood on there. This is just gonna be our fire pit for tonight. We'll just have a little fire. Might as well make some coffee for tomorrow, since we're leaving early. I don't know why I brought so much. It'll be a strong coffee. Hopefully that stays there. Alright, the water's hot. Let's make some coffee. And let's make some brats. Catfish. It's gonna be bullhead. Or no, that's a little catfish. It's a little catfish. The dogs are sizzling. Or should I say, the brats. Almost lost that one. Okay, the brats are pretty good. Oh, we got something on the hot dog. Come here. Nice cat. Alright, that's pretty much what we caught him on. Some hot dog and a little chunk of worm. Just caught this guy. Like the biggest one of the day. I guess all the big fish do come out at night. Oh. Oh, we got something. It's a big one. Ugh. Strong. There you go, sucker. I think that's like the smallest bullhead I've ever caught. Thing's tiny. We got a catfish, a little bit of a bigger one. Nice one. That was off a chunk of bullhead. Check out how bright this flashlight is. You can see all the way to the other side. Just a cheap Stanley spot lamp. Oh, that was the beaver. Is that him? Trying to scare me away. Look at the woods. Nothing spooky back there. Coyotes are howling. It's quiet. I'm the only one here. Oh, we got something good. Yeah, that's a good one. Something really big on here. It's moving, but it's like solid. It's either a giant big log or like a turtle or something. Oh, nah, dude, that's gotta be something alive. It's big. Hope it's not a beaver. It's pull and drag, whatever it is. Where the rod's going now? Holy crap. Okay. We're gonna be fighting two things then. It's just the usual size. But still a good size. Whatever's on that other pole's huge. Catfish. I just saw a mouse. Oh, there's another mouse. It's the same mouse? There's so much going on. Come on. Well, our giant fish turned out to be a big ass stick. Dang, that was a hard fighting stick, man. Man, I was really hoping that was some big PB catfish, but nope. We're gonna use the last little bit of this bait we got and the last little bit of our wood. And then we're gonna hit the sack. It's already 11. Alright, well, we're in bed. We got the tent, or should I say car, all covered up. It's pretty warm in here. It's getting kind of cold outside. Alright, time for bed. Well, it's morning. And it's freaking cold. I'm getting the heck out of here.